Thanks to everyone. Today we will learn about CNC programming. There are two types of basic CNC machine. One is CNC turning and another is CNC milling machine. In CNC turning, a metal bar or job is fed into the lathe and rotate at a speed, while a single point cutting tool removes portions of the metal to create the desired shapes. In other hands, CNC milling, the metal or job is usually remains still while a multi-point cutting tools rotate around it. It is the basic difference. Now we will learn the program of these types of job. First of all, we will study the job drawing. Here we can see 70 by 70 millimeter rectangular workpiece. Now we have to locate the origin of every point. In the middle of the job we can consider as a origin. That means x0, y0. Now the bottom left corner coordinate is x minus 35, y minus 35. Similarly, top left corner origin is x minus 35, y plus 35. And top right corner coordinate is x plus 35, y plus 35. Similarly, bottom right corner coordinate is x plus 35, y minus 35. These are the coordinates of all points. Okay, let's start. In the first line of the program, we will write all dimension unit. Okay, we use G21 for metric unit, millimeter, and G94 is for feed rate per minute. Next line is G91 for incremental mode. It's just like relative coordinate system. That means last point origin. And G28 for machine home position. And Z0, X0, Y0 is the machine home address. The line G91 and G28, it tells the cutting tool you return to the home position where you last stay considered as a origin. In the next line, M06 is used for to change the tool and T02 is the tool number. There was many types of tool designation just like T01, T02, T03, etc. In the next line, M03 is used for turn spindle in clockwise direction and S1000 is for spindle speed in RPM. In the next line, G90 is used for absolute mode. That means when CNC mill do work, the cutting tool consider all the points in absolute coordinate system. Next, G00 for rapid position. Actually, we use G00 for to move the cutting tool rapidly when it is not in working condition. Next, Z2 is used for to move the cutting tool in 2 mm up position. And X minus 35 and Y minus 35 is the initial cutting position from where we will start the program to cut the metal. Next, G01 is for linear interpolation. Here we use all cut are linear cut or straight cut. Next, Z-3 is the depth of each cut and F60 is the tool feed per minute. Now the machine tool will be run in the cutting condition and go to the Y plus 35 point. Next point is X35. So the cutting tool moves along with X-axis. And the next point is Y minus 35. So that the cutting tool moves down along with Y-axis. And the next point is X minus 35. So that the cutting tool moves left along with X-axis. And the next point is X plus 35 and Y plus 35, so that the cutting tool moves diagonally to the top right corner. Now we have to move the tool by using the G code G00 in rapid position, so that we will move the tool in up position 2 mm by using Z plus 2 and go to the point X minus 35, Y plus 35. Again, we have to use the G code G01 for linear cut, and Z minus 3 is depth of each cut, and for diagonally cutting the final position is X plus 35 and Y minus 35. Our cutting is complete now, but again we use the G00 and Z plus 2 for cutting tool rapidly move up 2 mm. Then for spindle stop we will use M code M05. Lastly, we have to return the cutting tool in home position. So we use again G91 for incremental mode and G28 for machine home condition, and home position is Z0, X0, Y0. And lastly, to end the part program, use M code M30.